Hello YouTube, this is Salam. In this video I'm going to tell you my experience with the YESWELDER company and how I start using their product and how it's developed to this point. In 2019 I was shopping for a welding mask and I found this welding mask on Amazon for $35. So I thought to buy it and try it. And it did great. The clarity of the lens is great. You'll be able to see the work before you start arcing and welding, etc. And it's excellent. And you have 3 adjustments. You could adjust the darkness, the sensitivity, and the delay. And the strap is very comfortable. So I bought a second one. And I left one at the house when I walk around the house, and I have one, I keep it in my truck when I go to the farm and work on my projects. You've probably seen it in many of my videos. And if I go to help a friend weld something for them, so I keep it in my truck, and it's been great. And I actually bought a spare, and I keep it here in my shop in case one of them fail. Last year, we bought this welder and I did a detailed review about it. And it's been great. It's working great. It welds on 110 and 220. Recently, I was shopping on Amazon for different type of welding masks, and I found YESWELDER, they make welding mask with bigger lens. So I bought this one off Amazon and I thought to try it out and review it for y'all. Last video I recorded about arc welding for beginners. After I recorded that video, YESWELDER contacted me. They said, we appreciate the honest review that you did on our welder, and if you refer anybody to buy our product from our website, then we will give them 10% discount if they use your first name as coupon code. So if you go to YESWELDER website, if you buy any of their product, they make many type of welders, plasma machines, welding mask, and other attachment for welding, and you use my first name, then you could save some money. They also send me this welding mask as a gift. Thank you, YESWELDER. I really appreciate that. In the next video, I'm going to review these 3 welding masks that made by YESWELDER, and I'm also going to talk in depth about welding masks, how you set them up, what's different kinds out there, etc. So please stay tuned for that. And that's really my honest opinion about the YESWELDER. So far, I have good experience with them. The welding masks that they sell, they have 30-day you could return them if you don't like them, and they have 6 months warranty. On their welding machines, they have 1-year warranty. So I hope this video answered your questions. Thank you for your support. Be safe, and I'll see you later. Take care.